What's up, y'all? It's CLEAN Hair, and I'm back with another hair video. And today we're going to be working with Xrsbeauty Hair. I've worked with them before, so I was already excited. Today's video is going to be with 18-inch curly 200% density clear lace wig, and later you'll see the difference between a clear lace and a regular transparent lace color. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. I got this I think it's just called curly. I don't even think it's like deep curly, or I think it's just curly. Okay, I'll have all the information in the description box. You can check those links down below. And the hair feels amazingly soft. It already comes basically pre-bleached, so you don't even have to bleach the knots. It's already just ready to wear. But I go ahead and just wash it and deep condition it just to get the curls a little bit looser, and then I go from there. So here you can see me showing the transparent lace and then the clear lace after. This is the transparent. You can see it's very white, and this is the clear lace. Okay, so there's a big difference between the two. So I just put them together just so y'all see it, and then I put it on my head just so you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. It literally just disappears. Okay, and this is a easy to melt lace also. I went ahead and took my wig off that I was already wearing, and I didn't have to do much to my cap that was underneath. I just did the same thing I usually do. I'm using an alcohol pad to remove the glue so that it can loosen up, and then I just put a little bit of oil and took the wig off. The wig I'm gonna put on, by the way, is a 13x6 lace, so it's a lot of parting space in the middle towards the front area. You could just braid this whole front of the wig back, okay, and y'all be able to see all those details later. So I'm just go ahead and wipe all this glue off, and then I'm gonna get to installing this wig. My baby was up. It was about 3 a.m. so I had to stop and then come back, so you can see the difference in me looking more tired. Had to go and breastfeed him and get him together, and I was like, I'm gonna finish this wig though. So I came back and got it done. I was definitely sleepy, but anything is possible at 3 a.m. okay, don't forget to check those links in the description box. I'm gonna catch y'all at the end. Stay tuned for the look. Okay. So this is the end result. I did not feel like going downstairs to get my hot comb, but make sure y'all use a hot comb, something extremely hot, just to get it as flat as you want it to be. My wigs will never lay flat. I always tell y'all I have a cone head, so I'm never gonna have that super flat look anyway. But to get, you know, that look, you know what I mean, you use the hot comb. And I didn't feel like going to get mine, but it still turned out pretty. The wig is beautiful. I love the fullness. I love the thick, kinky look that it got going on. But it has the soft curls also, so it's not kinky curly, but it's really pretty. So don't forget to check the description for what I have. And if y'all want to order this wig, go ahead and get it. I love this hair. I love curly. I'm going to catch y'all in the next hair video. Bye.